You can visit our website allplantools.com and then download the Python parts that you need. Open and then extract them all. Copy the files in each folder. Then find the path, Service, File Explorer, General Program Data. Open etc folder, Library, PythonParts, onto PythonParts Generator library. We should be in this folder to quick access for later uses. Paste the files here. And then do the same for all files we downloaded. Now open our ALLPLAN and open Library, Default, PythonParts onto PythonParts Generator. And we can open the Python parts and modify them if needed. Example here, I will add the surface for our T-beam. And the Python parts are already in use, and we can find them in Library, Default, PythonParts onto PythonParts Generator library. Let's open the Python part and make some changes to check.